Hi everybody, Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank, and today I'm checking out the Element Technica Powered Riser for the Sony F5, F55 cameras. This is a power distribution solution as well as a support mechanism solution. The base is powered up on the back here by a Lemo 8 connector. They went with Lemo 8 because this allows us to bring 12 and 24 volt simultaneously into the base. If 12 volt is only brought into the base, there are electronics in here that upgrade it to 24 volt for the respective connectors. Next to that is a LCD panel. This is going to show us what our 12 volt status is. And next to that is the Lemo 2 connector. This is the output to the camera itself. This is supplying 12 volt power, 5 amp service. So that's enough amperage, so whether you do a R5 recording or not. On the side here, these are going to be 0B Lemo 2 connectors. Great thing about this is if you already have accessories that are being powered off of 12 volts from an Alexa, the same connectors are identical, so the same cables you have now will work on this base. Next to that, 2 P taps with 2 amp hour or 2 amp service on each of these connectors. Seems like a lot, but it does give you the capacity. For example, if you wanted to, you could actually put quad boxes onto these connectors and have oodles of power connections. So on our P-tap and also on our Lemo 2 connectors, we have 2 amp service on all of those connections. On the front here, this is a 3-pin Lemo 24 volt service, same again as the Alexa. The intention here was really for those who need to use a Cinetape with the camera. It was designed in such a way that it is recessed enough so that it will clear a lens coming off the PL mount, and it will handle either a straight mount or a 90-degree elbow. And I have attached optional Micron 19 or 15 millimeter lightweight rods here. If you already own a Micron support system for another camcorder, they will install right onto the front of the base here. And on the side, a little diode to show you your voltage status. If you start getting low, it will start blinking. If you get below minimum voltage, it will turn solid. On the top, for mounting to the F5 or the F55, we have 2 self-retained 3/8/16s, and next to that we have these 2 drilled holes, and these are actually 1/4-20 holes that correspond to 1/4-20s from adapters that I got in my kit from Element Technica that go into the 1/4-20 tapped holes in the base of the F5 or the F55. So what this does is it registers as base. Now it seems like these 2 3/8/16s would do a pretty good job of doing that on their own. The nice thing about this is that it absolutely positively will line up the lightweight rod alignment perfectly. But in addition to that, the thought was that if you were going to now use a hybrid plate below the riser for a studio setup, these two combined together give you the necessary spacing, not only centering but spacing for studio builds for matte boxes, follow focuses, and all that kind of stuff. These pilots or these tapped holes here will prevent the base from shifting in any direction. So you only have one point of shift if you need to line up low support or something like that. So with a lot of flexibility and a lot of choices built into it, great choice for the Sony F5 or F55 camera. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.